Hello there, and welcome to this Key Stage 3 English task on Valentine's Day around the world. So Valentine's Day actually started as an early spring festival in countries because they were just celebrating the idea that the weather has changed and the lambing season has started and the flowers are blossoming. But later on, that Valentine's Day spring festival actually turned to more romantic and affection type of festival. So now Valentine's Day around the world is actually celebrated due to more of a romantic and love nature between couples. And different countries around the world celebrate Valentine's Day at different times of the year as well, in fact. And they have a slightly different meaning behind their Valentines and how they actually celebrate this particular old tradition. So have a read of this particular text and we'll give you some historical basis on what Valentine's Day used to be and how it's celebrated nowadays throughout different countries around the world. And like usual, we'll follow up this particular task with the questions and answers and a little bit more discussion in our next class. Good luck.